In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build custom forms in Softr. We'll begin on the Softr application's dashboard, the central place where your projects live. Open the apps area so you can create or access the app where your form will sit. From here, you have a few different ways to get started, and I'll walk you through what each option is good for. If you want full control from a blank canvas, choose Start from Scratch. This is great when you already know the exact fields, layout, and styling you want, and you don't need any preset structure. You'll add a form block later and tailor every detail to your process. If you'd like a quick head start, try Generate with AI. This will scaffold an app and form based on a short description. Think of it as a jump start. It's fast, and you can still refine everything afterward to match your brand and data requirements. My favorite option for most people is Start with a template. This gives you a professionally designed layout with best practice form patterns built in. Use the search bar to find what you need by keyword, then narrow down to the forms category to focus on layouts purpose-built for collecting data. Open the templates view to see your options side by side. Before committing, click Preview to explore how the form looks and behaves. Scroll through, check the fields included, and get a feel for spacing and responsiveness. As you preview, think about what information you truly need from users. Shorter forms usually convert better, so it's smart to trim anything that isn't essential. When you found a good fit, click Use Template. Softr will add it to your workspace so you can make it your own. Give your app a clear, descriptive name to keep things organized for your team. Now it's time to make your edits in the editor. Select the form block and customize the fields. Rename labels for clarity, add helpful placeholders, mark required fields, and set basic validation where needed. Reorder fields to match a logical flow and remove anything unnecessary. Update the Submit button text and success message to set expectations for users. Then adjust design details, colors, fonts, spacing, and alignment so the form aligns with your brand. Always check the mobile view to ensure it's easy to use on smaller screens. When you're satisfied, use the preview inside the editor to test the experience end to end and confirm that everything reads clearly and feels intuitive. And that's it. Navigate to apps, choose how you want to start, preview a template, use it, and refine the form to fit your exact needs.